Hello, in front of me I've got Nokia C31. In this video I'll show you how to enter a file manager. In the beginning let's enter app drawer and search for Files app. Then simply enter it. And as you can see, thanks to File Manager we can use nearby share, thanks to which we can send and receive files quickly. Then we can browse our internal storage divided to categories like downloads, images, videos, audio, documents and others, and apps. Also we can go to favorites, save folder and internal storage. Then we can go to clean, where we can clean junk files. If you go to menu, you've got access to recycle bin, settings and help and feedback. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.